Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Booking.com. Whether you're traveling internationally or simply prefer browsing in your native language, adjusting this setting makes the entire booking experience more comfortable and intuitive. First, open a web browser on your device and navigate to Booking.com. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in to your account. If so, enter your email address and password, then click the Sign In button. Logging in ensures your language preference is saved for future visits, though you can also change the language without signing in if you prefer. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see either a language indicator or a small flag icon representing your current language setting. Click on this icon to open the language menu. This menu is your control center for all available language options that Booking.com supports. When the language menu appears, you'll see a comprehensive list of languages to choose from. Scroll through and click on your preferred language, whether that's English, US, Espanol, Francais, or any of the dozens of other options available. As soon as you select your choice, the page will automatically refresh and display all content in your newly selected language. This includes everything from navigation menus to property descriptions and customer reviews. Take a moment to navigate around the site and verify that the language change has been applied correctly. Browse through a few pages, check the search filters, and look at some property listings to confirm that all labels and text are now displaying in your chosen language. This quick verification ensures everything is working as expected before you continue your booking journey. If you're using a shared or public device, it's a good idea to log out when you're finished. Simply click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select the Logout option from the drop-down menu. This protects your account information and preferences from being accessed by others. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your display language on Booking.com. This simple adjustment allows you to browse and book accommodations with complete confidence in a language you're comfortable with. Thanks for watching.